Hey friends, Jason here. Today I wanted to go over how to set up an autoresponder in your Sendy account. To set up your autoresponder, you need to set it up on a specific list. So if you click on View All Lists, once you're on your View All Lists tab, you can click on any list to set up the initial autoresponders by clicking Autoresponders. And right here it'll say Create a new autoresponder. So every autoresponder that you set up in Sendy is going to be a drip campaign. So we can name this one Tests. We'll do Save and Next. So you're naming the drip campaign Test overall. Now here you have your first autoresponder. So when are you going to send the email? After the person subscribes through some kind of form. You have immediately, minutes, hours, days, weeks, and months, and then you put in things. So if we're going to do minutes, 10 minutes after they subscribe. I usually set the first one to immediately. And if you have segments on this particular list, you can apply this autoresponder to a particular segment. Next, we have the subject of the first email that's going out immediately, from name, from email, reply email, plain text version, and then your email content will go here in your editor. So let's fill in a couple of these just so we have some data. Just Save and Next. This is a test email. All right, so congratulations, you have your first autoresponder hooked up to your list footer. Now that you have this basic autoresponder started, you can add multiple emails onto the campaign. So now we have our first email, Test. I'm going to do another email, which will be Test 2, some kind of data in the widget, Save and Next. So I have Test 1, Test 2, and it looks like I did them both for sign up, so you don't want to do that. So let's edit this. The second email is going to go out. Since we don't want to be annoying, we'll say this is going to go out 5 days after your initial email. So save. So now we have on this particular email list or form, we have one email that goes out immediately upon sign up and one email that goes out and one email that goes out 5 days after the initial sign up. So to enable those emails, you quickly select over here, click yes to enable them. If you want to take a look at the email that you previously set up, so this one's set up real basic, all I have is that word test in there. You can send a test email, you can edit your form, you can duplicate this, delete, or see statistics on that particular list. You can add an unlimited amount of autoresponders to this drip campaign. So to quickly show you a little example that we set up for my marketing agency, we have a short little drip campaign for some e-commerce people out there, and we've named the autoresponder Outreach. So it's a drip campaign, 186 emails have been sent on this email. So the first email goes out upon sign up, and this is the subject line. The next email goes out a day later, and this is the subject line, so we make it look like a reply. The third email goes out 2 days after, and we have a little bit of a tongue-in-cheek subject line here. And then the fourth email goes out 4 days after, and it's like a final wrap-up email. So it's as simple as that. Setting up an autoresponder through Sendy is very straightforward and easy to do. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you need any help with your Sendy account and need to get things up and running, feel free to reach out and I'd love to help you. If you're new to this channel, which you most likely are, please give me a subscribe and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a great day.